Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Naina Sareen and you're watching our news bulletin, The Reality Rundown. Let's dive into the top stories making headlines today. A major fire erupted in Guwahati's Sormataria area on September 23rd following a suspected cylinder blast. Several shops were engulfed, leading to significant damage and the loss of goods worth lakhs. No injuries were reported, but the fire caused widespread devastation to local businesses. Agricultural fields in Balaji are facing devastation as cracks from across parched lands worsened by failing irrigation systems. Farmers in areas like Halongbari, Kathalmuri Ghat and Digjira are battling to save their crops, with the long-standing issue of dysfunctional irrigation compounding the crisis. Several passengers were left seriously injured after a high-speed Yatra passenger bus en route from Guwahati to Dhubri collided with a stationary potato-laden truck on National Highway 17 on September 23rd. The bus sustained severe front-end damage and passengers were hurt in the crash. Eyewitnesses quickly alerted the Attorney Police Station. In a major operation, Cachar Police alongside the Border Security Force seized 10,000 Yava tablets near the India-Bangladesh border. The contraband, concealed in 50 blue packets, was found in the Katigora Police Station jurisdiction, a region notorious for cross-border smuggling. In a horrific incident, an elderly woman, Bagare Hembram, 53, was brutally murdered in Chirughutu Balimari village, Gosaigaon subdivision, Assam, over suspicious of witchcraft. The victim's cousin Ganesh Hembram is the prime suspect and is currently absconding. A special investigation team has been formed to investigate the looting of gold worth around Rs 4 crore from the Bank of Baroda branch in the Manipur University complex. 4 bank employees, including the branch manager, have been apprehended as part of the ongoing inquiry. Union Home Minister Amit Shah highlighted Haryana as an example of effective BJP governance, contrasting it with previous regimes. Shah criticized the past governments for fostering nepotism and caste politics, asserting that BJP's governance stands in stark contrast to the earlier administrations. In a tragic incident in Rajnandangaon's Joratarai, Chhattisgarh, 8 people lost their lives due to a lightning strike. Among the deceased were 4 school children, leaving the community in shock as authorities assess the situation. During an address in Poonch, Jammu and Kashmir Congress leader and leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stating, "The Narendra Modi of before is no longer the same today." Gandhi claimed that the opposition has successfully challenged the government, forcing them to change laws under pressure. BJP MP Krishan Pal Gurjar, speaking in Sonipat, criticized the opposition for their stance on caste and religion. Gurjar questioned the opposition's call for accountability, highlighting that with 2,500 to 3,000 castes in India, their push for further division is contradictory. Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.